video. Today I'm going to talk about the C5 conversion I did, the C5 front brakes on my 87. So I've done plenty of videos in the past about the brake upgrades I've done on my cars. Usually I do the J55 heavy duty brake upgrade. For this car, I went with C5. This is the first time I've actually done a C5 upgrade. I have bought the components. I was going to do it on my 92 a couple years ago. I just sold the car before I did the brake job. So I'm not going to document installing the calipers. What I'm going to do though is show you this video. The purpose of this video is to show you everything that you need to do in 85 through 87. So really quick, I'll show you what we've got here. All right guys, so here's everything you need to do this job on an 85 through 87. I will add to the video. I don't know about 84. 84, I've never owned one. 84, some things are similar or the same, some things are different. I know for sure 85 through 87 is going to need the parts that I'm about to tell you. So just like any brake job, you're going to have your caliper and your bracket, your pads, your brake lines, your rotors, and for the C5 conversion, you also need a bracket, an adapter that mounts the bracket to your knuckle. Mine is from Van Steel. The stainless steel brake lines, mine are Stop Tech. It's just mocked up right now. I don't have the pads in. These are AC Delco rotors. These are directional rotors. If you see the fins, if you're wondering, the fins need to be going back, not the other way around. You want air to escape, not for air to scoop. One of the tools I bought was this 17mm wrench. It's a thin wrench, and I bought this because I bought it for the pin bolts. It actually fits in the pin bolt really nice, and that way I don't damage the paint, or in this case the powder coat. The C5s, it looks like the bolt has a flange on it. The other ones do not. But they're also really thin, and they're also 17mm. They're all 17mm. So as you can see, this fits on there absolutely perfect. So I did buy this wrench. It was $8. I'll put the link in the information down below. So the other tool that I bought, you're gonna kind of laugh at me, but I bought a spreading tool for spreading the calipers when I do a brake job. And I know people use C-clamps a lot, and I have in the past as well, but I'm gonna be honest, I do not want to use a C-clamp on my brakes anymore. Not if I'm gonna powder coat them. It ratchets. It's gonna really help save a lot of time doing brake jobs, and it works on dual piston or single piston. Oh my god, that was really easy. There, they should be fully compressed. This I'm gonna zip tie it in place. Okay, there, it's nice and centered. Okay, pads are in. Let's see if we can get this on. Wow, went right in. Cut my zip ties off. Carefully so I don't scratch my nice powder coating. Here's my thin walled branch. I'm not going to torque this right now, I'm just going to snug it, get it in position. Okay. The calipers look huge on here. They look really nice, and the powder coating turned out great. I couldn't be happier with everything that I did. Everything just turned out great. That's it, guys. It's just a normal brake job with the addition of a bracket adapter made by Van Steel. Thanks for watching.